Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Animals Magical! The secret to the circus is inside. Animal crackers? Ah! I'm a hamster! Holy moly, holy moly, holy moly, holy moly!
Daddy's cute!
Thank you, Angel.
How do these things work?
It's magic. Every time you eat an animal cookie, a human cookie appears in the box. Aha!
Angel, I'm not a performer.
This is what you always wanted.
Wide-eyed kid who used to love the circus.
Animals!
I lost the human cookie.
You what?
Well, that's how the cookie crumbles.
Don't mess with my family!
Whatever filthy beast to keep my family. Hey, Angel. You ready to have some fun?